For over 75 years, Hofmann, a German-founded company, has been delivering high-quality and innovative garage equipment at a surprisingly affordable price. Originally opened in 1931, Hofmann is spread all over the world delivering garage equipment of the latest technology to all of their customers. Hofmann provides some of the finest equipment when it comes to 1. Wheel aligners, 2. Wheel balancers, which come in 4 different categories: diagnostics, premium, mid-range, and specialty. 3. Tire changers, which also come in the following category: premium, mid-range, or specialty. 4. Alignment lifts. 5. Automotive lifts. And 6. Brake lathes. For a more detailed look at Hofmann's product line, contact JMC Automotive Equipment today, or check out our website for our concise Hofmann buyer's guide.